Man, guys, I don't know what's... My sound is not working on my phone. I don't know what's going on with it. But if you guys can't hear me, give me a shout out and tell me what's going on with my phone. I can't hear. Every time I play back my video, I can't hear it. But I don't know how you're gonna hear me, but I don't know. But yeah. Comment below if you can hear this. If not, tell me and I'll fix it, and I'll be back early in the morning, give you guys another video. I don't know, I played back my phone and I can't hear my video I played for you guys, but I don't know. Tell me if you guys can hear it. Peace.